Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about the consequences in case there is any delay in lodging an FIR. Whenever there is any delay while lodging an FIR, so many questions arises in our mind whether it would affect the testimony of a witness or whether it will affect the merits of the cases. So let's discuss about the provision regarding delay in lodging an FIR. There are two aspects regarding to delay in lodging an FIR. The number one is if the delay is having explained delay. That means the person is delayed in lodging an FIR with a justified reason. Or secondly, we have that the person is having no justification regarding the delay in lodging an FIR. So whenever there is a justification attached to the delay in lodging an FIR, in these circumstances, this would not affect the testimony of the informant. While talking about the unexplained delay where there is no justification regarding that delay, in that circumstances, it would affect the testimony of the informant. As we all know that if the informant has given the information to the police officer and due to which an FIR has been lodged, and we know that by the virtue of evidence provision there is no corroborative value of any statement given before the police officer, so in that circumstances the court will call that informant in order to present before the court and give testimony regarding that statement. So when the court finds that there is a delay in lodging an FIR and that delay is unexplained without any reasonable justification, so the court will become suspicious about the informant and would not treat the testimony of that informant as a strong evidence. Now the question arises whether that suspiciousness of the court would affect the merits of the cases. The answer is no. It would not affect the merits of the case per se. But regarding the corroborating value of the informant's statement, as soon as the courts will become suspicious about the informant's testimony, in other hand, the corroborating value of informants get reduced. And this situation maybe leads to benefit of doubt. That means the court may give a benefit of doubt of that particular facts or statement which has been so stated in an FIR to the defendant, and which may result into acquittal of the accused. Now the question is related to the human behavior. If the delay is due to the lethargicness of the person or due to the human behavior, whether that nature of delay would consider to be as explained or unexplained delay. So the court will always presume the human behavior as a explained delay, and that will be considered to be a justified one, but that should not be a long one. Now the question arises regarding to the rape cases. We have one landmark case on that is of State of Punjab versus Gurmeet Singh 1996. It states that whenever there is a case of a rape and in that case there is any delay related to lodging an FIR, the court always considered that delay as a self-explained one, because as we all know that social stigma has been attached towards the society regarding the rape victims. They might be boycotted from the society. Along with that, there is some kind of fear too, which puts the pressure on the girl regarding the harm to the family's reputation. So that's why it was held that in rape cases, if there is any delay in lodging an FIR, that will be considered to be as always self-explained one. Now the question is regarding the incest cases. Now the question arises that what is incest cases. So whenever any sexual offense has been committed and that has been committed within the family by any relative, so that category of cases considered to be as incest cases. Therefore, in this incest cases also, if there is any delay and that is due to the fear of family, pressure of family, and due to any social stigma, in that circumstances, it is well presumed by the court that if there would be any delay, that would be considered to be a self-explained one delay. So guys, this is all about today regarding the consequences of delay in lodging an FIR. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.